Assalamu alaikum 5 class. Hope you are doing well. We are going to start our new exercise, that is 7B. Exercise 7A we have finished on Thursday in the class, okay? But before going to start exercise 7B, I would like to tell you some new concept, that is adjacent, complementary and supplementary angles, okay? You will open your math books, math copies and the geometry boxes, okay? That the first one concept I'm going to explain you, that is adjacent angle. As you can see that one angle is Macon, okay? NMO and LMO, these two are right angle angles, okay? These two are angle are joined with one line, that is MO. So that mean MO is a adjacent angle which is joining these two right angles. Read this one line, LMO. This one is L, this one is M, and this one is O. It is a right angle, L shape. The second one is NMO, that is N, that is M, and it is O. It is also a right angle. Okay, these two right at angles are joined, meet to each other with this common line, that is MO. Okay, that is M point where they are meeting these angles, that is called vertex. Clear that? Okay, come on the page number 122. Okay, here we can see that is the example from your real life, okay, of adjacent angle. Two houses will be adjacent to each other if they have a common wall. You got my point? What is called adjacent angle? Okay, that is the common example from your real life. Okay, now the second one concept is complementary angle. Look at this one diagram. Okay, it has two angles. The first one is 65, the second one is 25. When we add the 65 and 25, we got the answer 90. So this is called the complementary angles. Look at this one line. Two angles are complementary if their sum is 90. If its sum is not 90, they are not complementary. If their sum is less than 90, greater than 90, it is not complementary. If their sum is 90, it will be complementary angle. Clear that? Okay. The next one is supplementary angle. It is on page number 123. Look at this one. Two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180. This is 130 and that is 50. When we add the 130 plus 50, it is we got the answer 180. Okay, 180 basically a straight line. Okay, you know that. So it is 180 mean two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180, as like 90-degree complementary angles, there's 180, it is supplementary angles. Okay, how you can remember these two complementary and supplementary, because they are important. We are going to solve some sums in the exercise 7B about to the supplementary and complementary angles. Okay, this one a tip to remember complementary supplementary. C for complementary, S is straight line. You know that na? Supplementary is a straight line 1 degree angle. So it's mean you have to, S is supplementary, it's mean it is a straight line. Okay, S is a straight line. Clear that? It's very easy to remember in your mind what is complementary and what is supplementary. Okay, so pencil should be in hand. First of all, you will write the date and day on the top of the exercise 7B. Okay, first they I have the blanks. I will explain you each and every blank. Pencil should be in hands. Okay, adjacent angles have a common side and a common dash, that is vertex. As you can see, there are two right angles. Okay, at the in this one line is called adjacent angle, and on this one point they are meeting, that is called vertex, common vertex. So this is the vertex spelling, kindly do write it properly. Okay, second one blank, if the sum of two angles is 90, then the angles are dash. As you know that if the two angles are 90-degree, it will be complementary. Very good, it is not supplementary. Complementary mean 90-degree, supplementary mean 180-degree. Up the next one is two angles are supplementary if the sum is 180. Very good. Okay, we have understand these concept, that is why we can solve these blanks. The D1 blank. Okay, listen to me very carefully. This one is a little bit confusing, but you have to read it very carefully. We cannot, okay, we cannot find the dash of 90 angles complementary. It's mean if the two angles are only added, okay, and the answer is 90, so it means it is complementary. We cannot find the kind of complementary angles. Okay, the next one is E, if an angle is 85, its supplementary angle will be 95. How the answer 95 comes? Look at this one. Supplementary angle mean 180. 180 I will write over here, and that is 85. I'll write on over here 85. 180 minus 85, we got the answer 95. This is the way to solve the supplementary or complementary questions. Okay, you have the question number 4 or 5 according to the supplementary complementary. You have to just subtract the angle which they have given you. Okay, now true false. How we can solve the true false? I have solved each and every true false on it. Yeah, I'll send you the picture of these work in the group, so don't need to worry about it. Just focus this video in this video to understand each and every true false. Okay, the supplementary angle of a right angle. Listen true false very carefully. Supplementary mean 180 degree, right angle mean 90 degree. You will solve it, you got the answer 90 degree, so it is a right angle. So the statement is the supplementary angle of a right angle is a right angle. Like when you are subtracting 180 minus 90, you got the answer 90. So it is a true statement. Okay, the first one is true statement. Come on the next one. The complementary angle. Complementary mean 90 degree. 90 degree or supplementary 90 degree. Okay, complementary angle of 50 is 140. Look at this one. This is 180 minus 50, you got the answer 130. It is a false statement. Okay, adjacent angles share a common vertex. This is the first one blank, it is a true statement. Okay, they have repeated the first blank in the true false shape. Okay, if angle ACB is equal to 120 and second angle is 60, then they are supplementary. First we'll add them and we know what is the answer, that is 180. So it is a supplementary, it is a true statement. Okay, the supplementary angle of an acute angle. Supplementary angle of an acute angle is also an acute angle. It is not a true statement. It is totally a confusing statement. Okay, so okay. Page number 124, MCQ. Select the correct answer from the given option. The first one MCQs is the supplementary angle. Supplementary mean 180. Angle of 70. So this is the question of 4 and 5. Ticket is same like the questions. Ticket the supplementary angle of 70. You will minus the 70 from 180, or you can say that 180 minus 70. You'll got the answer 110. You'll circle the 110 option. That is option number C. Okay, same the question number 2, it is same almost. Okay, it is the first angle is 40 and the second one angle is 60. Are not adjacent. Are not adjacent. Why? Because they don't have a common vertex. If they are adjacent, so it should be the same angle. Okay, the C1 is complementary angles. Complementary angles are 90 degree angles, so it is sum up of 90 degree. So complementary angles of 10. So you have, it's this question mean you have to minus 10 from 90. From 90 mean 90 you will write down first and 10 you will write down after the 90. Okay, of 90 mean it is the second one number it will come. 90 minus 10, you got the answer 80. It is the option number A. You will circle, you will take, or you will mark it. Okay, option number A. 180 angles are dash. When you add them, you got the answer 180. 180 is a straight line. Straight line mean it is a supplementary angles. Okay, you will circle the option number B. Very easy. Okay, now we are going to start our question number 4. It will be a copy work. I'll send all the work in the group again telling you, so you don't need to be hurry to solve in after during watching the video. Just focus on understanding. These are the some short questions I have done for you. Exercise 7b, find complementary angles. Okay, the first one is 65. Complementary angle mean 90 degree. This one angle is 90 sorry, this one angle is 65. You will minus 65 from 90. Matlab 90 will come first and 65 after that. You'll got the answer 25. This is the first answer of part A. Okay, the B1 question is 12. You'll minus the 12 from 90. You'll got the answer 78. This is your answer. The second one is 82. You will minus 82 from 90. You got the answer 8. Okay, the D part is 47 degree. This the small circle is called degree. Okay, when we minus the 47 from 90, we got the answer 43. So these are the some complementary angles. Okay. Now you have to do this on your neat copies, but not right now. Okay, we are going to start the question number 5, in which we have to find out the supplementary angle. As you know that supplementary mean 180 degree. Okay, so these are some angle which they have given you, and you have to just minus from 180 and you got the answer. This is 165. When you minus 165 from 180, you got the answer 15. This is the first part answer of A. Okay, B part is 49 degree. You'll minus from 180, you got the answer 131. The C part is 88 degree. You'll minus from 180, you'll got the answer 92. That is D part 127. You'll minus from 180, you got the answer 53. We have done all the 4 and 5 parts questions. Okay, these are the important one according to the final term. Okay, what are these? These are the important one according to the final terms. Okay, now we have to solve the question number 7 on the book again, page 124. ठीक है, question number 7. Find value of y in the given set of supplementary angles. Supplementary angles mean again we have to minus from 180. ठीक है, that is the angle 44. ठीक है, 44 angle is given you, y you have to find. 180 minus 44, you'll got the answer 36. It's mean y is equal to 36. आप पेंसिल से करेंगे solve. I have solved this all work with the pen, so you can see in the video properly, but you have to do it with the pencil. B part is the first part they have given us, that is 150. 150 is given in the book, but you have to minus from 180. Why? Because it's supplementary angles. So when we are minus the 180 from 150, we got the answer 30. It's mean y angle is 30 degree. C part again, it is 60. They have given you 180 minus 60, you got the answer 120. This y is 120 degree. Okay, this one is D part, that is 85 degree. They have given you, you'll minus 85 from 80. 180, you got the answer 95. So you will write down here y is equal to 95. मैंने दूर करके लिखा है, so not a big deal. Okay, it is here angle is 100. ठीक है, you will minus from 180, you'll got the answer 80 degree. That mean y angle is of 80 degree. You don't need to any protector or any compass in this. ठीक है, you have to just solve it. What is complementary, what is supplementary, what is adjacent. I told you in the start of my video. ठीक है, that is very important to understand these new concepts. ठीक है, okay, that is 43 degree. ठीक है, so 1 with minus 180 minus 43, we got the answer 137. So y is equal to 137. So this is the whole lecture. Listen to me very carefully. I'm going to tell you very important thing. You have to do this work with very neat and clean, with the proper margin line, with the proper marker and pen. ठीक है, I will check the book work plus copy work. You will send me your book work and copy work neat and clean on my personal number. I'll give you the deadline of any time, ठीक है, in the group, and that neat work contain 5 marks, and whoever did the complete work, that in this video I have told you na complete work, it will also got 5 marks, so total will be 10 marks. If anybody did give me the send me the classwork in on my personal number, I'll not give you the marks. Okay, these marks are important, and that person or that student will not get the attendance as well. So make sure you are attending my whole lecture, you are listening my whole video, and you are doing my whole book work plus copy work properly, neat and clean, and complete task on a proper time limit. ठीक है, okay, Allah Hafiz. See you inshallah on Monday in class. Allah Hafiz.